Yeah, an elderly lady has fallen and her leg is bleeding a lot.
There's been a knife fight. A boy's been stabbed.
We're at work, and his arm just went into the machine.
My husband has cut his arm open with a hedge cutter.
Don't panic. There is an emergency bleed kit nearby. It will help you control the bleed until paramedics arrive. Is there someone there who can get it? I will talk you through what to do.
Bleed map has arrived. It takes just a couple of minutes to register your bleed kit. View the map to become familiar with bleed kits local to where you live, work and spend leisure time. But remember, you must always dial 999 first in any medical emergency. Bleed map sends data to the emergency services.
The bleed kit is in a cabinet outside the primary school and I'll give you the code.
There's a bleed kit in a pub.
Convenience store.
Hairdressers. Defib cabinet.
Train station.
We're just getting the trauma dressing on now.
Okay, the gauze is clotting the blood now.
I think the tourniquet is working.
The chest seal's on and he's still breathing. I think I can hear the ambulance now.
Bleed map. Be registered, be informed, but always call 999 in an emergency.